Today I want to show you an amazing place to live, surrounded by nature, with super fun amenities. And it's close to everything. I'm with Martina. Welcome to Springfield Oaks. It's formal, it's open, it all flows perfectly. This kitchen has it all. Bright bay window, multifunctional center island, even cool storage features like this. Not one, but two primary suites, each with their own full bathroom. And who doesn't love having two decks with a serene view of trees? Springfield Oaks has amenities and trails everyone can enjoy. So come join me in Springfield Oaks again and check out this great home.